Yo, yo, yo. What's up, everybody? Good morning. What's up, Mohammed? What's up, Sue? How you doing? How are you? Trader Sue. That kind of rhymed. Amza, how are you? Doing good. What's up, Drace? I'm wearing a hoodie. It's like freezing in this room for some reason. For some particular reason. Hourly swing. 5-minute internal. You got AC. Crazy. OB. I'd be looking for this here, to be honest. I'd be looking for that. Excuse me. Oh my god. What's up, Twisted? Mr. Twisted. You've got the order block here, actually. How did everybody do this morning? Just, did you catch anything? Excuse me. Unfortunately, I'm a little late to this one. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry on this. Insane long on? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What's happened, brother? 5 trades this morning. Nice. Or what's happening? Sorry. No, I'm just... This AC right now is blasting on me. My sinuses are going crazy. Hence why I'm wearing the hoodie. You know, it's like 95 degrees out. What do you mean, Ronnie? Why is it at night here all of a sudden today? What do you mean? What do you mean? God, don't you guys just love the animations we have on screen? They look great. Greatest on YouTube. You mapped the exact trade I took. You're in. Show up. I'm just being honest. Show you off tonight. Walk me through it. Walk me through it. I made a couple bucks. I made like 1.5K on my TBT fundeds. Base hits, man. Go for the base hits. 5 accounts, $200, $300 each, 1.5K with awesome payout wins. Soon. Soon. So Ralph is a full-time team member now? No, brother. He was just a guest. So the idea, or what we're going to do, is we're going to have a guest on every week. I put else you guys will see that announcement shortly. Next week is also quite exciting. Just different people. I think I initially wanted to go for a format where they come on and I kind of collect a bunch of questions from people and then ask them. But I think just having them on, being genuine about the open and I asked him a question. We missed a few questions. There were 4 of us on, so it was just like we were just on there chatting, really. You freezing? Bro, I'm fucking freezing. I don't know what's going on in this room. That's fire? Yeah. So the idea is to have one person. Is it just me, or do you keep switching chart colors too? Because I definitely do. So I don't keep switching chart colors. I've kept the black and white. I think what you mean is this here. The short tool or the long tool, which yeah, it used to be the black, right? I have black. I have this, which I also really like. I call it the ocean, which is funny, right? I call it the ocean. And then I have the sunset one, which is red and orange, which also looks really good. And then I have just the default, which I'm also a huge fan of because it's just, you know, green and red. Yeah. But congratulations to you, traders, too. I'm pretty sure this will be a really nice trade for you. Yeah, I mean, it looked nice. I don't think I could have gotten myself to short here at the 7962s. I would have had to have entered up here at the 06. You guys planning on collaborating with Riz? Like words of wisdom? Tonight I'm gonna show you off. God damn, SpaceX. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so. Do you have any idea what the logic behind 812 to 912 range? Oh, I have no idea. I actually have no idea. Is MMXM coming on as a guest? I haven't spoken to him, but that would be an interesting one for sure. I don't know if he does public facing live streams though. You can ask T. I think one can nudge. Arjo. Arho. Is it Arho? Arjo? He did do a stream with Ralph months ago, but yeah, he face cam. Yeah. Or even better, get currency merchant on. That would be fucking cool. Ask ICT. Okay, I'll ask him. I'll publicly ask him.
Sir.
Okay, let me know what he says. Got you. You should definitely ask him. Ask AM. That would be nice too. I just don't know if AM actually does. AM trade live trade? I don't know. How many trades a session? or do you run a DLL? I'm gonna be honest, I probably do 3 trades max per session. Get the GOAT Ice Cube. I don't think you'd want to do one. I think we asked him already. For those of you that don't know, Ice Cube has like what, $500,000. I think Casper Sniper would be sure keen. Yeah, I actually talked to Matt already. He said yeah. Aim is a GOAT, that'd be fire. He doesn't live trade, but he'd be good to get him. Yeah, so see, for example, like for a person like him, I think I would need to prep a list of questions. But for a person like Ralph that he does frequently stream, like I know that they can just come on and it'll be a really nice time, you know? What's up, CyberVal? What's up, HM_trades? Patrick Whelan? Oh, for sure. That'd be. Did you get the full reverse? No, I closed my calls though for like 90%, plus 90%, which was nice, actually. I guess I shouldn't have because they went up like 300. That would be funny, huh? Bring on Garrett on streams. Is Garrett live trade? I don't know. You guys got to remember, like, it's easier. No, futures, Drace. You guys got to remember it's easier to bring on people that frequently stream as opposed to, because I feel like they'd be more keen on it, you know? I've heard that name. Am I tripping? Who is that? You guys think I'm some kind of magic man? I'm bringing on. Who is that? Yeah, GXT started his own group saying he live streams. What you want? By the way, if you are watching on X, head over to youtube.com/@thelab.live. What was the entry for this trade? No, I didn't get a fill here. I was just outlining the order block and the target. Or MMXM, I don't think he comes on streams. I don't know. I mean, it's definitely possible. It doesn't hurt to ask, right? Like, what's the worst? It's not like we don't already have a stacked team, you know? Like, we've got Kane, we've got Leo, we've got Juno, we've got Bray. What's the worst you can say? Ew, you're disgusting. Juno the GOAT. Javi trades. This is like, you know, this might be Juno's alter account. Any plans on starting the lab Discord again? No, brother. NA not available. Yeah. Sorry, boys. It would be, I don't see why at some point in the future, not open it up to the public, but make a lab public Discord. But obviously not release all of the educational stuff, because then that would just be unfair for the people that had previously paid. Now a serious question: what the fuck is up with the order flow trading spamming the algo on socials at the moment? I don't know, man. It's the new shiny thing, right? It's a cycle. It's always a cycle. On the 15-minute, would you enter a sell off the C3 closure? Oh, did the lab also have the crypto analysts? Yeah, we had the crypto analysts as well. On the 15-minute, would you enter a sell off the C3 closure? Yeah. What I'm looking for here is actually the C4 on this. The thing is, you're within an hourly internal, right? You've swept previous hourly lows, so now it's like you can start making a thesis for potentially higher if you start getting closures. That's the truth. But I think ultimately they want to take this a bit lower, in my opinion. Show you off. Hit me up when private Discord opens. No, it won't be a private one. It would be just a public one where we have people join in and chat. And some of the material, like at least some of the public material, will be just put together. Right. I'm just getting tired of sitting like that. Hit me up. Yo, hit me up. 4.3K subscribers. We're only 700 away from 5K, boys. If we can get there, that would be phenomenal. Drop a like, subscribe. Let us know how you're feeling. Let us know. Get the multi accounts and sub. Oh yeah. Tagged out 70-point trade, London high swept, clean 5-minute breaker. Hell yeah, Sue. Love this for you. Dude, I remember it clear as day when you first published Discord joining links on X, and I just never got around to it. I've known you for a while, Twisted. Alex, how do you do your weekly and monthly reviews? Brother, I just have a template, right? You want me to pull it up? I feel like I've pulled it up on stream before. Pause. Boys, I had the weirdest fucking dream, man. I guess I should have like separated these sentences altogether. What is wrong with me? Or is it? Let me I feel like if I do the window thing on the Mac, it's gonna skew the screen heavily. Hold on. Okay, sure. Weekly review. No. This one's already filled. I can't use that one. Plus, I don't want people reading my shit. Saw one video on your YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh, I know where it is. I was looking for the blank file. I finally found it. Oh, just cracking my fingers. Here it is. So if you guys want, you can screenshot it. You can. It's coming up right now. You can screenshot it. You can copy it. You can do whatever. I took a lot of questions from Tom Dante's weekly review. And then I just kind of cut it down to the ones that I thought were important. So first question is, what worked well this week? What didn't? Some questions to consider when answering the above. Was there a type of trade that did or didn't work well? Was there a particular market that you did/didn't trade well? Was there a particular time and day that you did or didn't trade well? Did you enter trades too soon, too late? Did you take profit too soon? Did you take profit too late? Were your stops too tight? Did you take poor risk reward trades? Did you risk too much? Did you risk too little? And did you miss any trades? And then at the bottom, did you deviate from your plan? If so, why? What was the outcome? And then for recurring problems, ask, what is this problem? Why do I have this problem? What is the solution? And how can I action it? So yeah, take a screenshot. Honestly, I think we all know enough. Sometimes we get caught in education so much that we fail to execute what we know. For sure. I agree with you, actually. For sure. SpaceX up to 116. My God. Came back. It came back from the dead. Good for SpaceX. I wonder how the options did, actually. Let me take a look. Let's take a look. SPCX. 116 call is expiring in 3 days. 116 purple. What did these get to this morning? They got to $1. Oh, okay. They got to $1.78, and now they're back at $5.20. Crazy work. Brrr. What about the 109s? $3. Where are you uploading on your channel? Been a while. Oh, when? Sorry, I was like, where? I don't know, man. I don't know. I actually had a couple of videos that were hidden that I think I can just excuse me. I think I can just release. Unlisted. I've been doing this for so long. It's kind of crazy. I do have a ton of unlisted videos that I think would be good to just post. I haven't seen Alex use the same chart colors for this long. Dude, I know it's actually, the consistency is real here. The black and the white is just too clean. No, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to be so completely honest with you as to why I've been consistent with these chart colors. Are you ready? It's so my Instagram grid looks clean. That's it. That's why. Because if you go back, like, look at how clean this looks. It's the only reason. That's why I've been sticking to it. Here, can you pull it up real quick? Thank you. This is the only reason. So that looks clean. That's it. Thank you.
Same. I might chart on different colors, but for instance, I switched to black and white. What's that grayish white you'd be using? 1st May IG post. 1st of May. 1st of May. Am I tripping? Mr. Telephone Man, there's something wrong with my line. When I dial my baby's number, I get a click every time. 1st of May. Am I bugging? Are you talking about the candle itself? Because I do have, there is a gray version of this, which I typically use like at nighttime, which is easier on my eyes. I have it as paper. This is like the gray version of the white that I was just using. What makes you like that OB compared to the OB that made around 11:45, 12? 11:45. 11:45. Well, first of all, this here, what's it called? Made a swing, right? So it's not that you're just seeking, like, let me show you. I guess I would have stopped. Realistically, I probably would have gotten stopped. I'm going to be honest with you. So this is the area that I want to see sweeped, the old high, right? Because what a lot of people do is like the old high and the previous hourly high, right? Yeah, I probably would have, yeah. I probably would have gotten stopped on this one. What the fuck? Sorry. Would have been something like that. Try to aim for the internal low. Either I would have gotten stopped on this or I would have gotten stopped break even on this, realistically. But the thing is, what people get confused is people just look for the swing. Let me go back. Leave. People just look for the swing, right? When in reality, it's the context that the swing brings. Okay, see here, I actually might be interested in this. Can I weaken that up? Boom, right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, so because it, like you could play any random swing, right? Like that's the, but it's almost, it's step number 2. It's step number 2. Like swing points are really good, but it's step number 2. Who can tell me what step number 1 is? Just as a little random pop quiz. Who can tell me what step number 1 is? Sweep, higher time frame. Yeah. Actually, you guys are all both right. Like, step number 1 is, but I'm speaking more in the context of trading criteria, right? It's your level. Obviously, this depends on who you are, whatever you trade. It can vary, but it's your level. The swing never comes before the level. It's the level first and then the swing. Because the level is the acceptance. Oh, whatever. I don't want to use order flow terms. But I guess that's the only word in my vocabulary that I thought of. But the level is the reversal point in which you then seek the swing. So before, let's say hypothetically, before we had even gotten here, right? without this being here, and if this was like lower, I wouldn't even look for shorts because I need this to be here in order for me to look for this. This is the secondary confirmation. So the first step is external high or significant high, 930 high, right? Which is your reversal point. And then number 2 is looking for the swing, which now you've then confirmed at that particular point in time, right? And then at that point, you can ask yourself, okay, what is the candle that swept the high or the previous candle's high, right? And in this particular case, it's pretty obvious. It's this one. So once you get a closure below that, that becomes your order block, right? You can put the stop above the high, and then you can look to target the first internal low at a discounted price point, which should bring us to the current price action. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much, that's the truth. Honestly, I marked the higher time frame draw for the day or the week, and any move opposing to that is fake for me. This has saved me a lot. Otherwise, before that, I was a pattern trading every move. Clean, bring the glasses back. They're back. They're back. I got the Supreme hoodie on because it's fucking freezing. I'm repping. Mr. Telephone Man. There's something wrong with my line. When I dial my baby's number, I get a click every time. Bring the glasses back, he says. I'm gonna take off. Early starts of the day, brother. 4:30 a.m. Let's get it. You enjoy the rest of the day. It's 4:30 a.m. for you. Oh, sorry. Ignore me. I'm being fucking silly. Don't worry. I understand what you meant. Don't worry. Wouldn't mind catching a continuation play here, actually. Go ahead and bust down up. Oh my God. I don't know what's wrong with my vocabulary usage today. We're at the 932s with the stop alive, the 64s, and I'm just going to look to target the same low. $57s, honestly, is my stop. A bit of a tight one. Tight stop. Okay, Alex. Just ordered the blue lens glasses for myself. Do they really help? Yeah. I would say though, I'm gonna be honest with you. The ones that really help, like these help. I can feel some of the strain coming off after a couple of hours of usage. But the ones that really help are the completely red ones. Those I really feel at the end of the night. Like I'm just like, wow, like my eyes feel they're not as exhausted or strained or stressed. Because I mean, I really am on the screens a lot. So 2:41, we got about 4 minutes till the next 5-minute candle here. Mr. Telephone Man. Oh, come on. Just send it to the lows. Don't honey dick me. There we go. Honey dick me. God, it's tedious. Two minutes left here before the next 15-minute candle. See if we get a push here to the downside. I want to see if I can go break even at the 9/10s. No, this thing is catching a bid. It seems. Just gonna close out of this. I'm out of this break even. I don't want this anymore. Do whatever it wants. Mine's in orange. I'm in South Africa. What prop firm would you recommend? Oh, brother. Oh, that's a good question. Oh, really gonna pop it. South Africa. I don't know if I would recommend. I mean, I always recommend take profit or lucid. Restricted countries. But yeah, TPT South Africa is restricted, and then I think lucid is also. Let me see. I'll check for you. Restricted countries. South Africa on lucid. And then next, let me check on the next futures. South. Okay, so actually Fund Next Futures is available in South Africa. So I think that's the one I would probably recommend. Yeah. Why they ban me on K's Discord? Who's K? Who's Kane? K. Who is K? Kane? What Discord? The Prop Firm Compare? Yeah, Emza, I think Fund Next is your best bet. Truthfully. New 15-minute candle here. I've closed out of this already. Did not want a part of that, whatever that had to entail. Because I think you now have a 15-minute swing to the upside here. So. The only thing left here, I guess, last line of defense would be the order block or the rejection block. But at this point, I think We want to try this? Sure. I'm in at the 9.5, 9.52s with the stop at the 63s. Basically a 9-point stop. It's my risk here. And then I'm just going to look to target the lows. This is a 15-minute swing play. It's worth the risk for me because it's simply 13 or 12 points of risk, something like that. What is it? 10.75 points of risk. So I think it's worth the scalp here. Well, let's see. Might get stopped out here during the last few seconds. Yeah, and that's me. It was worth it. I thought it was worth it, honestly. 30 second, or even 15-second OB here. Come back, retrace, retest, 13 points of risk. I think it was well worth it. Alex, if a firm has, yeah, I got you, Hamza. If a firm has a payout cap of 1,200, you can only take 1,200 or 1,200 one time. It's per payout, right? So, like, if a firm has a $1,200 payout cap on a specific account size, then that's the maximum payout you can take for that account per payout. It doesn't mean that you can only take out $1,200 at that firm. You get what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Now they want to drop this thing. I guess it's not doing much, to be honest. And max depends on the firm. Yeah, it depends on the firm. Some firms do like 50, 100. Really just depends. What is the model behind the trade you've just taken? 15-minute swing, 15-second OB. pretty much it. 1430 failed to close above the 1415 candle. I was looking for a rejection here to the downside. You drop down to a 1 or 30 second chart. Candle that swept, you just highlight that. That becomes your order block pretty much. Looking for continuation on the swing or the failure to close above that candle's high. That was the trade, so it was basically an order block. Four-hour closure actually looks quite interesting here. But then again, you also have this situation, which is what's kind of going contrarian against my short bias here at the moment. Sweep of the previous hourly low. See if they bring this back up into a premium market. I think ES is already at a premium market. No, it's not. Yeah, we'll see if they bring this back up into a premium market and then short it from there. Whoops, sorry. Okay, I guess not. No premium market. Just bring it back up here. Above the 966 is 28,000. I feel like it wants a 28,000 level. Point of control at 28,000. Yeah, it's also such a huge psychological level. Flat. Come on, bring it back into a premium. $256, 4 minutes till the 3 p.m. open here. 28,000 is basically 677.5 on QQQ. Point of control. The point of control. Jeez. Make PM sessions great. Again. This is fucking nuts. Unbearable, actually. I might actually just have to switch over to a back test. There we go. Got a nice little pump going there. Point of control. By the way, guys, if you DM me on Instagram and I don't see it, I do apologize. Just letting you guys know. Oscar, how are you, brother? I know I read your comment, but I didn't say anything. How are you? You good? Who's watching the new Spider-Man movie? Okay, coming up into a premium market here. There she blows. Do we have a 15-minute high? We don't. 30-minute high. Rough. The context here is just rough. Hourly high, we do. The context here is just a little bit rough, but overall, if the context if we get a nice little build up here off the previous hourly high, we can get a nice little reject and then seek the lows here. See if we get it. Just gonna kind of wait patiently here. This is gonna be a see-through entry, so it's gonna be a bit higher risk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reduce my size, but I'm not gonna take this just yet. Even though I do think we reject strong off this premium market here. Seems like it's kind of struggling. No confirmation for me here. Just kind of playing around with my orders, see if there's anything, but no confirmation for me here. Nothing that I see that can really incentivize us for a short here. I need to see this closure. No closure yet there. No confirmation. It seems like it just wants to kind of get above here into the premium market, dig deeper. Again, I still do like the idea and the concept of the trade here, but if we really start to get above the previous hourly high, it's just gonna invalidate the idea, and I'm not gonna look to take this. With SpaceX puts going into the close. I don't know if you guys have noticed though, but funny enough, like, look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark out the last 350s, right, or the last like 345 candles on SpaceX. Wait. This is gonna be so funny. 345, 345, 345. Where's the other one? 345. I guess this was the only outlier. 345. 345. 345. 345. So you can see like it tends to spike up at 345. And then the following day, it just completely, by the open, is already below the previous daily low. It's just a funny little thing that I noticed. 107, 3-minute series of candles that make it low into the 1 hour. FG broke that. Would it be good for a long? Yeah, I mean, it looks fucking good. Yeah, but I'm just pretty short biased here, to be honest. What's up, Matrix? How are you, brother? SpaceX, man. What's the 106 put looking like? 106. $1.05. I feel like this wouldn't hurt. So it might be a retest of 975. Yeah, it could be. Could very well be. Again, I didn't get my confirmation, so unfortunately I just didn't enter off that short. Anyways, boys, I'm gonna call it here because I gotta go. But I do appreciate you all stopping by. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning and for the PM session as well. So listen, I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, hopefully we'll do a couple, a bit more backtesting. Oh, but hold on, if the short opportunity arises here, could look to play off that 30-second. I might look to actually take some risk here. I'm gonna give this a try actually. Let's give it a go. In at the 007s. In at the 007s, and I'm just gonna look to target the 911 low. I'm gonna look to go break even near the 985s. I know. Listen, I know I was about to call it, but the opportunity presented itself, and let's see if we actually get to play here. Either we get instantly stopped out. I'm in this for 2 micros, so it's not a lot. I do like it. I don't mind it. I don't mind it, actually. So let's see whether we get completely cooked on it, or again, the risk here is pretty minimal, right? It's about 16 points, which I do like. Should see a strong reject here. I'm going to look to go break even at the 987s if we actually manage to get there. It'll be a quick one. I'll give us that push into the 987s. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and look to move break even here already, boys. It's going to be instant break even at the 007s. Let's see if we get a nice little continuation push there into the lows. Yeah, break even here at the 007s. Beautiful 30-second scalp here. Gonna mark this out. And then have this here. Beautiful. Oh my goodness gracious, 974s. Can we get a continuation here? Below the 974s. I would love to see below the 972 level. That would be great. Want to see a strong push here to the downside if possible. Custom interval, 2 minutes. Oh no, that sucks. We've got the 3-minute OB here now confirmed though, so let's see if this is just a retest or retrace and see if we get an expansion here into the lows. The bids have been strong. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The bids have been strong. 1 minute left here, couple seconds left for the next 5-minute candle, which should give us a nice idea of what they want to do with this. 3, 2, 1. Bring it into the lows. Previous 5-minute low, they might look to take this higher. Let's see. Yeah. Unfortunate. Come on. Give us that reject. No, still getting the bid. Insane. Yeah, boys. I do believe we're gonna get stopped break even on this one. Looks like the bid is very, very heavy, or not very, very heavy, but very well supported here. Let's see. I'm hoping we don't get above the 995s, because then at that point, then I'll kind of just accept the break even. But I think if we start really, really failing to get above the 995s, so look for a really nice drag down. But it cannot get above the 995s. Needs to strongly reject here within the next few minutes. We've got about 4 minutes till the next 15-minute candle. Cannot get above the 995s. Looks like it wants to. Come on. Man, those 980s, that's hilarious. Well, whatever. We'll see. We'll keep our eyes peeled. But for the meantime, I'm break even on this trade. We are chilling. Excuse me. Beautiful. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to look to close at 2R actually. And I'm closed at 2R. I will take it. 33 points, 15-second scalp. I do think there might be some possibility here for some more downside, but I'm taking it here at 2R. 132 ticks, 33 points. I will take it, brothers. You scared me? Oh, I know. Yeah. I know I was going to hop off and then I was like, wait, this looks fucking great. This looks fucking great. Yeah, timings, I got you. So entry was actually, entry was 3:05 p.m. and then exit was 3:13 p.m. 3:05 p.m., 3:13 p.m. Yes, perfect. Okay. All right, boys. Close out there, 33 points. Not a lot, but I'll take it. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys. Peace.